If you're anything like me, your hair could use some help. And what better way to help than to give your hair some style and texture in the most natural way possible? That is where sea salt spray comes in. Now most guys think this stuff is just for beachy waves, and although you're not wrong because that is what this stuff is known for, it also does way more than that. Today I'm going to be using Volt Surf Salt Spray. It's probably the most natural and the best sea salt spray out there for your hair because it contains things like sea kelp that actually help prevent salt from drying out your hair too much. Not to mention it comes in these two sizes, one of which I keep right here on my counter, and the other I actually just keep in my car for whenever I might need it. Let's break down 3 surprising ways to use sea salt spray that'll definitely level up your grooming routine. Let's head over to the mirror. Now the first way is as an instant volume booster. I'm just gonna damp my hair a little bit, spray some sea salt spray it, and then blow dry it, and you're gonna see the difference. Now this works great if you've got fine or flat hair. Just a few sprays at the roots will add texture and volume without any mousse or product or gel or whatever. It's really good at giving some short or medium length hairstyles some lift in an effortless way. Best part about it is it doesn't look like you tried too hard even if you did. Now cut to another day. You can see my hair is a bit flat, it's a bit greasy. I haven't washed it since the day before and I had just finished my workout. The second way you can use sea salt spray is as a midday refresher for your hairstyle. If your hair is greasy or flat like mine is here, sea salt spray absorbs light oils and reactivates natural textures. It's like a dry shampoo but without the powdery look. Just spray it in, scrunch it up with your fingers, run your fingers through there and style it a little bit and you're back in business. Once it dries, it'll give you a light hold and that awesome texture and wave. Now there's still something missing in my overall style. Even though I just did my hair, the third and final thing that we're going to talk about that you probably didn't know sea salt spray could do is help you with your beard. Now if you've got crazy beard hair like mine, sea salt spray does help give you some hold and control there. You can see here kind of just how crazy it is. Like, look at that. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit to just blend the ingredients. This thing has activated charcoal in it, sea kelp to keep your hair from drying out because of the salt, as well as all the salt. And then I'm just gonna spray my beard a couple of times. Just some light sprays, kind of flatten things out. Use my trusty Volt comb. Just keeps all the hair in line with each other. And now you can tell the difference. It's not completely dry yet, but once it completely dries, it'll stay just like this. And I just find it to be a more comfortable way to give your beard that control without having to use something like a beard balm or any kind of gel or paste or anything like that. So yeah, sea salt spray does more than just surfer hair. It helps boost your volume, it refreshes your style midday, and it'll help give your beard some much needed control if you find that to be a struggle for you, just like I do. And of course you cannot go wrong with Volt Surf Salt Spray. It's the only surf salt spray I know of that contains things like natural sea kelp, which helps to keep the moisture inside your hair and your beard or wherever so that the salt doesn't suck all the moisture out of it. Hit that like button if you learned or liked something new, and check out Grooming.com for a whole range of styling products that are high performance for men who care about their look and without the BS. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more of these tips. We have videos coming out all the time with a ton of cool creators that you're not going to want to miss, and I will see you in another Volt video.